Welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for everything solars and energy storage. In this video, we'll compare leading lithium battery brands, including many more. By the end, you'll know exactly fits your system. Choosing the wrong lithium battery can cost you thousands. So which brands are actually reliable? Today, I'm breaking down Pylontech, BYD, and more. Let's find what fits your budget. With so many brands, which are reliable? And which ones should you avoid? I'm breaking down the top lithium batteries. Let's find your best fit. Before we jump in, look for these. Look at cycle life and depth of discharge. Check the BMS and inverter compatibility. These determine if it lasts 3 or 10 years. Let's thank our sponsor, Lawtech Solution. Visit their website, shown right here on the screen, or email them to move forward with modern tech. Pylontech is one of the most trusted names in lithium storage. Pros include high cycle life and a modular design. Cons are they are expensive. BYD brings automotive-grade tech to solar storage. They are extremely safe and highly efficient. Cons include high cost and certified installers. Dyness is very popular with D and SunSync systems. Pros are its stackable design and reliability. Cons are its slightly high price. Growatt offers integrated energy storage systems. Pros include seamless integration and high efficiency. Cons are less flexibility and lock-in. Felicity is a favorite for budget-conscious users. Pros include affordable and smart BMS. Cons are a lower lifespan. SRNE focuses on hybrid-ready systems. Pros are its premium feel and stable performance. Cons are it is slightly expensive. Let's look at emerging brands like Seaworth. They are known for high-capacity systems. Pros include fast charging and stable output, but they have a limited track record. Don't forget to subscribe for more solar guides. Seaworth is gaining attention for high-capacity systems. It features fast charging and stable output. However, it has a limited track record. Growatt is strong in local markets. It offers good local support, and it is designed for regional grids. They are affordable and come in smaller capacities. However, Seaworth is gaining attention for high-capacity systems. It features fast charging and stable output. However, it has a limited track record. Blue Carbon offers high-capacity systems. These units provide reliable energy storage. ITEL is entering the lithium battery space. Let's simplify everything. Best overall, Pylontech, best budget or Genex. Best industrial, Lux Power or Victron, Seaworth or Blue Carbon. There's no perfect battery, only the right battery for your needs. If you want reliability, go premium. If you want value, go mid-range. If you're on a budget, choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me which battery you're using or which one you're planning to buy. And if you want more in-depth solar guides like this, I'll see you in the next video.